Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be making a stuffed pork belly. Here we have approximately 4-pound pork belly. I would recommend getting a 4 or 5-pound pork belly at least if you want to do this. Actually mine was like this. Wouldn't have been enough room to roll it, so I had to cut it down the middle and then open it up, which made it a little better so we can spread our ingredients on. Our dry rub is going to be a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and 2 tablespoons of oregano. We're also going to be putting ham in here, some pepperoni, some sandwich pepperoni slices. We're going to sprinkle some Gouda cheese, and then last we're going to top it off with good old mozzarella. And then we're going to roll it up, tie it, and put it in our smoker and smoke it. Alright, first we're going to sprinkle on our dry rub. Like so. We're trying to be generous with this. Once we get that, we'll put a little more here back in the inside again. Now we're going to take our ham slices and we're going to put these along here inside, like so. Put some pepperoni slices. Now you don't have to do it this way. You can put in whatever you like. You want to put vegetables in here. You want to put rice in here. Do it the way you like. I'm kind of doing it in Italian style. Let's see. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle some of our Gouda cheese on here. This we freshly grated. This will add some nice flavor. Last but not least, we're going to sprinkle on our mozzarella. Give that a good cheesy. Alright guys, I am going to roll this and then tie it, and when it's tied, I will be right back. Alright guys, our pork belly roll is stuffed and rolled and tied, And here it is. Here how it looks, all tied up. We're just going to sprinkle the rest of our dry rub on here. And we're going to put this out on our smoker. We're going to get it to about 250, and hopefully this will be done in a few hours. And when it's done, we'll definitely be back, and you can see what it looks like. Alright guys, we'll be back hopefully in a few hours. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you an update. We are at about 9 minutes left. Our temperature we have our set for our pork belly, it will be at 160. That is well done. Meter recommends 200 to 205, but that's fall apart. I just kind of want it in the well done range, and that's 153 to 164. We have a set for 160. Medium well is 148 to 152, and medium is 143 to 147. So we are just about there. Our internal temperature right now is at 155, and our ambient temperature, the temperature that it is inside of the cooker, is at about 260. So we are almost there. 7 more minutes, and we will be back in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back, and our stuffed pork belly roll is done. And here's a nice look of it. And I want you to hear this. Hear that nice crusty noise to it. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up in the middle, see what it looks like. And that, my friends, is the money shot right there. Look at that. That looks good. Perfectly cooked on the inside. Look at all that cheese and that meat in there. And them pepperonis. I'm telling you, you might have to give this one a try. Let's give it a little taste. You know we have to do that. Look at that. Oh man. Man, is it good. Nice and juicy. Oh. The Gouda cheese in there. The mozzarella gives it a good taste to it. Oh, I gotta give this one a try. It is really good. Alright guys. We gotta end this. My wife's looking at me like, come on, let's go. I'm hungry. So, we're going to end this one. Give this one a try. Also, to get good results like this, again, I highly recommend these meter blocks. They're excellent. Can't go wrong without them. Alright everyone, have a great Labor Day weekend. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow. I'm on all social media. We're still making good videos. And be sure to stay tuned for the next one. God bless and have a good one. Bye.